Guys, chilling at the house this morning, heading to work here in a minute. Making some wings. What you gonna do here? I got like 3 pounds of wings. These are attached wings with the drumette. So I poached these for about, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour in liquid. I want to show you what I'm looking for. And the reason I'm doing this basically is to get all the fat, connective tissue, to where when I reheat these wings later on today, these wings will be falling off the bone. But right now we're going to get them out of here and cool them down. But as you can see, they're starting to pull off the knuckle and the skin is starting to separate on them. These are fully cooked and ready to eat. But all we're going to do is cool these down. Later on tonight, we're going to make some Cajun wings and some little roasted garlic and lemon pepper. Okay, back to these wings real quick. Just drain off your liquid. I'm not going to save this stock, even though I would, because I have plenty. But just drain your liquid. We'll get these on a plate. Hang on a sec. Guys, I got these guys out on a plate here. As you can see, we're getting like 2 dozen wings or 30 pieces. Like 10, 12 bucks. I'm just going to season these while they're still warm. Put a little kosher salt. Want that salt to get on there and just kind of melt into them. A little pepper, garlic seasoning. You're going to do this on both sides and then cool these down. And we'll finish them up later. I'm going to get some Cajun seasoning on some of these and some lemon pepper on the others. But I just want to pre-season these while they're cooling down. And they'll absorb the flavor. But, you know, you're getting all these wings. Do them at home. They'll come out great. I wish you could try these when I'm done. But you will see later on tonight. Bear with me. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we're finishing up those wings. This is Ando, and I'm back. Just finishing up these Cajun wings. On this side, on the left side, I have this. All we did was par cook these today, and we just got them to where they were just falling off the bone. So now when they cool down, they're very easy to handle. They're not falling apart. So I seasoned half of these with lemon pepper and garlic, roast garlic seasoning, and the other half is just a blackened seasoning. You can get that at the store anywhere you want. You can season these any way you want. All you have to do is pop these in the oven at this point for about 20 minutes. They're fully cooked. Make sure they're hot. They're good to go. You know, make your favorite fry sauce, dipping sauce, or just stick with a ranch and blue cheese. But anyway, try these wings and let me know what you think. Subscribe. Give me a like. Thanks, guys. Guys, let's take a look at these wings. These things look great. I mean, take a look at this. This thing just falls off the bone. Just slide it right off. Oh, nice clean bone. Look at that. It's delicious. Tender, falling off the bone. So good. You gotta put a little bit of blue cheese on here. These are so dry, tender, moist, falling off the bone. You really have to try these.